Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Harpa AI. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you are looking for a way to use your Harpa AI but you don't know how, then you've landed in the right place. To get started with Harpa AI, you'll first need to install Harpa AI Chrome extension. Open up your Chrome web browser and once you open it up, in the address bar, go ahead and type in chrome.google.com/webstore. Soon after you are done, press enter on your keyboard. Once you open up the Chrome web store, into the search box type in Harpa AI and search. Once you find the extension on the right hand side, click on it and click on Add to Chrome. Click the Add Extension button in the pop-up at the top and you'll be able to add your Harpa AI extension on your web browser. Now, you'll end up in the Harpa AI welcome page. Now, if you want to pin your Harpa extension on your toolbar at the top, go ahead and click on the extension button at the top right and click the pin option right next to your extension. You can then call in Harpa AI whenever you want by clicking on this button at the top right. You'll end up in the main dashboard. Now you can call in Harpa on any website that you are using by pressing the Alt and A key. The app will now appear on a web page and it contains two functional tabs at the top, the AI and Monitor. In the text box, you can go ahead and create a command by pressing the slash button and clicking a command in order to make quick commands on Harpa AI. To monitor a price or a data on the web page, you can click on this Monitor tab at the top and now you can start monitoring your page. That is how you can easily use Harpa AI on a web browser. If the video helped you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.